Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, I'm in one of the Sideshow guys' garage. I was on my phone and scrolling through, and I came around these companies with these contests. You know, they ask you to send a photo, tag them in this, and hashtag this, and follow them in this. And like, is it real? You know, we do it quite a bit, and we never win anything. I don't know. Some of you guys have seen it. You know, there's the wheel that goes around. It's got all the people's names on it. I don't know. Some of that stuff seems legit, but I don't know. Is it a gimmick? Do they just want to get more followers, more hashtags, more pictures? Like, I don't know. I need you guys really let us know if it's actually legit. I don't even know. Any of you guys actually successful? Got a package? Got something from these things when your name pops up? I don't know. We never really see the after video of it or the actual picture of what people get or who gets it or whatever. It just that never gets posted. The only part that gets posted is, you know, some random picture and location and a hashtag and so on and so forth. So let's see. So if any of you guys actually did these contests and post your pictures on their websites and link them and actually win anything from them, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you won anything or you actually have put anything out there, but I'm not sure. We've done dozens. I put it all around, and we actually got a response back from a company. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. Bullite Wheels, off-road wheels. You know, we won one of their contests. We were super excited. They reached out, let us know that we won it, and they sent us a care package, or they sent us a gift. So I'm just going to just sitting around waiting for it to arrive, and we want to share it with you and show you guys what we got. Boom, here we go. Just had FedEx drop off this package, Bullite wheels. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. So let's see what we got. So this is we won it. The wheel was spun, Sideshow guys popped up. I think it was a July 4th contest. You may have seen it on their website or their Instagram, but here we go. Let's see what we got. So we did just what they said. We put a photo of ourselves. We hashtagged in. We followed them. We already followed them anyways, but anyways, let's see what we get. Beautiful. We got some nice decals. Be able to stick those potentially on the machine or on some of our toolboxes behind us. Can never have too many stickers. That's some nice paper. I don't need that. Oh, here we go. The new hat. I need to wear my, change out my hat. That's a pretty nice hat, eh? What do you guys think? What do you think? Bullite, appreciate the hat, thank you. And all I had to do is send a picture and tag them. That's amazing. And what else we got? Nothing else in there. Look at this shirt. This is a nice shirt. Nice shirt. Got it in my size. Bullite off-road wheels. It's got some good quality and stuff like that. Might have to fight Derek over it, but I'm not sure if he'll win this one, but that's it. So thank you, Bullite. We appreciate it. I don't know if any of you guys have heard, but the Bullite off-road, they do wheels. You go to their website, they have nice, awesome beadlock. And if you've been watching the channel for some time now, you know that my Polaris RZR does not have beadlock, so we're kind of in the market for some beadlocks. So I've been online, going to a lot of the websites, doing a lot of research and stuff like that, because I don't know which company to get. Derek in his Honda has some like System 48 rims or something like that, whatever he calls them. They're okay, but I think you have to spray paint and put lipstick around the rims already because they're all scratched up. But I'm looking for something that was good. So, you know, so I saw their post, so that's why I posted our picture. They sent me this fairly quickly, which was amazing. I don't know if any of you guys have won any of these contests or whatever, let us know. But that's where we're at. Give us a follow, go over to the Sideshow guys, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, give us a follow, but go over to Bullite too. Give them a follow. Check out their stuff if you're in the market for some wheels and stuff like that. And hopefully we will see you on the trail soon. Peace!